Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have 4 myths and 4 facts all about the Mediterranean diet. So hopefully I answer some of you guys' questions today and hopefully I teach you guys something new. But before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so as I always say, I think it's really important not to be biased, so I really hope you guys know that I'm not being biased just because I'm Greek, but I am telling you that the Mediterranean diet does have a ton of benefits. And if you haven't seen it already, definitely make sure to check out my video titled Mediterranean Diet 101, where I go over literally everything there is to know about the Mediterranean diet and more. Even though this is the best diet ever, no, just kidding, but not really. There still are some misconceptions on how to make that lifestyle change to live a longer, healthier, happier life that the Mediterranean diet not only claims to do, but also has actually proven to do. So here today, I not only have 4 myths, but I have 4 facts too, all about the Mediterranean diet. So myth number 1, the Mediterranean diet costs so much money. So here are the facts. If you're actually cooking meals with lentils or beans as your main protein source, and you're sticking with mostly plants and whole grains, then no. The Mediterranean diet is actually less expensive than packages and processed foods. You don't realize how much more money you pay for that convenience and all those processed foods that you just, ooh, I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. This is gonna be really, really good and healthy for me. No. Myth number 2. If a glass of wine is good for your health, then the whole damn bottle is 5 times as healthy. So the fact is, moderate amounts of red wine can have unique benefits to your heart health. But, like I mentioned in my previous video, this is 1 glass for women and 2 glasses for men. That's it. But drinking too much has the exact opposite effect. So anything more than 2 glasses is actually going to be bad for your heart. Now, like I always say, everything in moderation. Now, myth number 3. Eating giant bowls of macaroni and bread is the Mediterranean way. That's just the way. If you didn't know, macaroni is macaroni, pasta, you know, all that good stuff. The fact is, actually, Mediterraneans don't typically eat giant bowls of pasta like Americans do. Macaroni is usually a side dish, so that's typically like half a cup to maybe a cup of macaroni or pasta on the side. The rest of the plate would typically consist of salads, veggies, fish, a smaller portion of grass-fed beef, and maybe a slice of bread or something like that. And myth number 4. The Mediterranean diet is only about the food. No. The fact is, of course, the food is going to be a major part of the Mediterranean diet, but you can't overlook all of the other ways that they live their daily lives. I did mention this in my other video as well, but when Mediterraneans sit down to eat a meal, they don't sit down in front of a TV, sit there with 10 iPads around and phones and all this stuff, or shoveling their food down really fast because they gotta rush and go to work. Like, no. When Mediterraneans go and sit to eat, they sit, they relax, they're with friends, they're with family, and it's just a nice, enjoyable experience. This, in my opinion, is actually just as important as what's actually on your plate. But you also know it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Mediterraneans also do enjoy plenty of physical activity. Now, like I've mentioned in the past, this doesn't mean that you have to go be a Greek goddess out there, a Greek god, and just be like shredding it at the gym, working out 24/7, running, like, no, there's subtle things that you can do, even if it's gardening, even if it's taking your dog for a walk. There's things you need to be getting up and moving and getting exercise, getting that heart pumping. Everyone needs a healthy heart. Well, that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If there are any other myths that I didn't mention or that you think are important, definitely make sure to leave them in the comment section below and I'll definitely respond to you guys. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.